All right, we're back. Trying to put some more Bondo on there. We're just gonna, I got a scraper that's plastic. I'm gonna try and load it up and apply it. And hopefully that'll work a little bit better and not scrape up the car. And I can apply it over more uniformly, hopefully. Okay, so it kind of like, seems like it's like putty in a wall, kind of. Filling in a gap with, like, if you've done sheetrock, like just like that, like puttying in a wall. So, kind of spreading the putty, if you will, and then just taking it and going along the excess there. Just kind of dragging it along it. So kind of filling in the crack and then dragging it along, if you will. So it's getting a little fuller here as far as the area. Kind of just pressing down and trying to fill in the whole area along with the contour of the car. So even this part that just got dented up here, like in this area, but wasn't punctured, it was just dented. Trying not to get it all over the place where it's not supposed to be, but okay. But okay, might just have to be good enough for this coat, you know. Maybe I'll just try and put it in there with that, and then smooth it with the bigger edge, the bigger blade maybe. This stuff here is just gonna have to be okay. So I don't know. Still a little bit there that needs to be filled in. I think I'm probably gonna wait and do another coat to get that last fill in, maybe. It's because I'm having a hard time getting in there right now. There's not enough stuff, so I need to clean my stuff off again, let that dry, and then you can see this maybe. So there was a pretty big dent over here. I kind of filled that in, and then as you can see, it's kind of rough, but it's filling in a little bit. So I'll probably do one more coat along here and along in here, and then I'll probably sand this whole area and then tape and spray paint with primer. Anyway, we'll get back to that. So that's the second coat. I'm gonna clean off my tools before they get uncleanable, and we'll be back.